This video explains how to add or remove stops to an order that has not yet been dispatched. First, go to the Orders tab and all your existing orders will appear. I look for orders that are in draft status. Now, your draft status may be moved from the far column. Remember, you can modify columns so that they can appear anywhere on the screen as you want. So I'm looking for a draft status. Drill into the order by clicking on the order number to open up the order details. This order is picking up at Fiat in Tipton, Indiana, going to Compton, California. I can view the map by clicking on the toggle map and I can see the route that this truck will take. And let's say that I've got another pickup in Tulsa, Oklahoma at another customer called International. Here's what I do. I go to the gear item in the delivery and I click on that and say I want to add a pickup. When I click on Add Pickup, it opens up a new screen where I can add another pickup that's going to go to the same destination. The system will always show me the existing orders on the stop, so all the pickup and deliveries will show in this area above where we're going to add our additional pickup. From the pickup, I can choose many different ways to identify where I'm picking up. It can be a customer, it can be another customer on this existing order, it can be any carrier in the carrier database, it can be a preferred carrier, one of the carriers I work with. It can be any of my business unit locations. It can be a city center, just a city and state. I can put a zip code in, which would pick a city and state and zip. It could be any location in the master location database, or I could manually enter a customer record. I also have the ability to add a customer record by clicking on this plus sign. When I do this, I can add a customer name and address and assign it into the system. So I find my customer International in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and there's International in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Once I've chosen the pickup location, the system will reach out to the customer database and pull all the information about that customer and any of their hours of operation, and they're in Central Standard Time. The distance from my original pickup to this location is 1,445 miles, and I also know that my tolls are $16.50 for this vehicle class. It gives me my ETA both as a single driver and a team driver. In this case, I'll choose the single driver, and I'll pull that data down into my scheduled date and time. I can increase or decrease the dates and times by 15 minutes by just clicking on these up and down arrows. I can also identify a scheduled date and time window, which I can quickly add a 1 hour either side of my scheduled date and time by clicking on these quick buttons. And there may be a contact that I may want to identify as the contact for this particular location. I now have my second pickup going to the same consignee, A.N. Derringer in Compton, California. The next thing to do is to put in the pieces and weight and save all of that information. And we can add notes if we want to add notes for this stop. Save the data. The order summary then appears showing the additional pickup added between the first pickup and the final delivery. Notice that you also have a summary of the toll charges based on the pickups. To remove a stop, click on the gear button and click Remove Stop. It's very simple. It will show you the stop that you are removing and any affected stop bill of lading data. All you have to do is click the Remove Stop and the stop will be removed from the order. All the other miles and pieces and weight will be adjusted accordingly and your toll data will be adjusted accordingly as well. In summary, remember that the gear icon is where you can add deliveries to existing stops or you can add pickups to existing deliveries. If you want to add both a pickup and delivery, you can add a stop pair. You can either do it through the gear function or through the Add Order Stop pair at the top of the screen. Thanks for watching how to add remove stops from an existing order.